My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware that is called Hhjk. Hhjk is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware damages the majority of file types, including pictures, videos, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. So before the ransomware attack, of course, you can open these files without any complications at all. But the point is that because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the device. So pretty soon after restarting their computers, customers may suddenly realize that something really bad has happened with the files and that they cannot access their data anymore. This is because the ransomware has encrypted and damaged these files, so they are no longer accessible. And these are the results of the ransomware attack. After restarting the computers, people try to open the specific file and they get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Hhjk extension. The ransomware actually has the purpose of forcing victims into paying the ransom, and the ransom amount is 980 American dollars. But we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because there is no guarantee that your files would be restored even if you pay the ransom. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager. And if you find any suspicious processes here running in the background, right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. We also recommend that you scan your computer additionally with the help of reliable anti-ransomware software called Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, in your case, after you click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will begin. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of identifying and deleting the majority of threats, including ransomware, adware, malware, browser hijackers, and other threats. Please pay attention to its feature called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats that were revealed. You will be able to know their exact location on the system. And we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically. And this is the best way to keep your data always safe and secure and protected.